ओम चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सम्यंग मति प्रकरणम in Upadesha Sahasri 17th chapter 27th shloka we had seen तदेवैकं त्रिधा ज्ञेयं माया बीजं पुनः क्रमात् माया व्यात्मा विकारोपि बहुधैको जलार्कवत् तदेव एकम एकम बीजम अविद्या आख्यम त्रिधा भिन्नम in threefold ways that one avidya expresses, and it is ज्ञेय वस्तु, ज्ञेय पदार्थ। माया बीजम पुनः क्रमात्, क्रमात् ज्ञेयम। In Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, this is what we were seeing in the last session. And Mayavi, the adhishthanam of this Maya is Atma, avikaraha, vikara shunyaha. Eko api bahudhai, bahudha bhasate. Eko api bahudha bhasate, jalarkavat. Even though it is one, it appears as many. Jalarkavat means like the reflection of sun or moon in many water pools, water bodies, or in every bubble, every water drop, there is one reflection. Ekadha bahudha chaiva drishyate jalachandravat. It is said in Amrita Bindu Upanishad. This avasthatraya viveka is prasiddha and it is given in many texts, many Upanishads. कैवल्य जाग्रत स्वप्न सुषुप्त्यादि प्रपंचं यत् प्रकाशते तद ब्रह्माहमिति ज्ञात्वा सर्वबन्धैः प्रमुच्यते त्रिषु धामसु यद् भोग्यं भोक्ता भोगश्च यद् भवेत् तेभ्यो विलक्षणः साक्षी चिन्मात्रोऽहं सदाशिवः. So Kaivalya, Amrita Bindu also, and of course I mentioned last time Prashna, Mandukya, etc. Let us see Tika. Tadevaikam Mayakhyam Bijam Tridha Bhinnam Kramat Sushuptyadi Kramena Ityarthaha. Tad eva ekam. Tad eva ekam. So in the previous shloka, Purva shloka has Atma Bodha Pradagdham Bijam Yatha Abhavam दग्धम स्यात्. This Ajnana Rupa Bija, which is destroyed by Atma Jnanam, Atma Bodha. This Ajnana Bija has the Ankura Karya in the form of Jagrat and Swapna Avastha. Ajnanam is Karana Avastha. So, in Tika, when it is said, Tadeva Ekam means Mayakhyam. Mayakhyam, Maya Akhyayasya, Akhya means name, that which is indicated as Maya or Anirvachaniya. Bijam Tridha Bhinnam. It expresses as threefold. Tridha Bhinnam. Kramat Sushuptyadi Kramena. Kramat is there in the Dvitiya Pada. Sushuptyadi Kramena. Sushupti, Swapna, Jagrat. Punaha iti atra vipsa drashtavya. Punaha, punaha, punaha. Vipsa means you should understand again and again. Again and again, this Karana expresses as Jagrat Swapna, Jagrat Swapna, Jagrat Swapna. Either you say it happens on daily basis, or Punaha Puna means in one yuga, then another yuga, then another yuga, like that. For one jiva, Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti is there in one Sharira. When that Sharira is over, next Sharira, again Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, like that. So that is Vipsa, again and again. Vipsa Drashtavya. Sushuptim Arabhya Jagarita Paryantam Tad Arabhya Sushupti Paryantam Aharahar Stridha Vikriyata Ityartha. Sushuptim Arabhya Jagarita Paryantam. Starting from Sushupti until waking. And Tad Arabhya means Jagarita Arabhya Sushupti Paryantam. From Sushupti to Jagrat, from Jagrat to Sushupti. Aharaha, every day. Tridha Vikriyate, in threefold ways, this Maya or Avidya expresses. Sthula Prapancha, Idam, and Sthula Prapancha Drashta. Drashta means Anubhav Karta, Aham, the experiencer. Then Sukshma Prapancha Idam, Sukshma Prapancha Anubhav Karta, Aham. Both are part of Prapancha. Idam and Aham, both are in Prapancha only. But as long as attention is on Idam, I will not come to Aham. If attention is not on Aham, Atma Vichara will not happen. So this is a transition. From Idam you come to Aham, from Aham you come to Atma. And in Sushupti, Idam is in the form of either you say Abhava, Prapancha Abhava, or it is Ajnanam, that is Idam. Sukham is also Idam. And Aham is there in the form of Sakshi. Aham as separate Anubhav Karta, if you want to say, if at all, It will be Anandamaya Kosha. Chaitanya with Anandamaya Kosha is the Anubhav Karta in Sushupti. In Jagrat, Annamaya Kosha, Pradhana, with Chaitanya is Anubhav Karta, is constantly looking here, there, thinking, talking, etc. And in Swapna, Pranamaya is there because it is functioning, Manomaya expressing, Vijnanamaya dormant, not active. All of this is Anatma. All these Panchakoshas, they are Anatma. Etad Uktam Bhavati. Now, whenever they say such things, Etad Uktam Bhavati means this remains to be told now. And now he will give detailed analysis of this Prakarana. Means this Jagrat Swapna Sushupti topic. Chinmatrashraya Vishayam Ekam Eva Ajnanam Anadi Anarvachaniyam अनेक कार्य विक्षेप संस्कारोपेतम चैतन्याभास खचितम स्वाश्रये आत्मनि अध्यात्म अधिदैवत भेदेन प्राज्ञेश्वर उपाधि विशिष्ट सुषुप्ति प्रलयावस्थाकारं जायते. चिन्मात्र आश्रय विषयम एकम एव अज्ञानम. चिन्मात्र आश्रयो यस्य तद अज्ञानम चिन्मात्र आश्रयम. एंड चिन्मात्र विषयो यस्य अज्ञानस्य तद अज्ञानम चिन्मात्र विषयम. So ashraya and vishaya both of ajnanam are chaitanya. Ajnanam is chaitanya ashrita and ajnanam makes chaitanya as its vishaya. Ekam eva ajnanam. Ajnanam is one. Anadi anirvachaniyam. It is anadi and anirvachaniyam. Anirvachaniyam means सद्रूपेण निर्वक्तुम न शक्यते, असद्रूपेण निर्वक्तुम न शक्यते, सदसद रूपेण निर्वक्तुम न शक्यते, तस्मात् अनिर्वचनीयम. अनेक कार्य विक्षेप संस्कारोपेतम. When it is said anadi means there is no karanam for it. It is not a karyam. It is anadi. And it itself has aneka karya. Aneka karya vikshepa sanskaropetam. All the vikshepas, they are the karya. Vikshepa samskar upetam. Chaitanya abhasa khachitam. And it has Chaitanya abhasa. Khachitam means imprinted. Khach dhatu, different meanings are there. Dhatu nam anekartha. So here khach dhatu we have to understand as something which is imprinted there. What is imprinted? Chaitanya abhasa. Where?
In Ajnanam.
In Ajnanam. Ajnanam is Chaitanya abhasa khachitam. Swashraye Atmani अध्यात्म अधिदैवत भेदेन in swashraya atma is the ashraya of ajnanam. In that adhyatma adhidevata bhedena, adhyatma bhedena means vyashti, adhidevata bhedena means samashti. In this way you should understand. भेदेन प्राज्ञ ईश्वर उपाधि विशिष्ट सुषुप्ति लय अवस्थाकारम जायते. Prajna and Ishvara. Because of the Chaitanya Abhasa, Ajnanam gets the Sanya, Prajna and Ishvara. Because of Chaitanya. Prajneshwar Upadhi Vishishta. Sushupti Laya Avasthakaram. Sushupti Avastha is Laya Avastha. Sushupti eva Laya Avastha. Tadakaram.
Pralaya Swamiji, pra is there on top of shu.
It's okay. We can just say Laya Avastha also. Doesn't make much difference. सुषुप्ति प्रलयावस्था और सुषुप्ति लयावस्था कारम. सो सुषुप्ति अवस्था इज फॉर प्राज्ञ, लय अवस्था और प्रलय अवस्था इज फॉर ईश्वर. इन दिस वे, सो इन प्राज्ञ सुषुप्ति everything else of prajna is suspended. Similarly for Ishvara. Further, तथा तैजस हिरण्यगर्भोपाधि संभिन्न स्वप्न सृष्टि अवस्थात्मकम भवति. तथा तैजस हिरण्यगर्भोपाधि, so in सूक्ष्म अवस्था तैजस and hiranyagarbha, they are the upadhi at vyashti and samashti level. उपाधि संभिन्न स्वप्न सृष्टि अवस्थात्मकम भवति. भवति किम?
अज्ञानमेव.
अज्ञानम. अज्ञानम उपाधि संभिन्नम. व्हाट इज संभिन्न? संभिन्न means becoming one. If you see संभिन्न शब्द, भिद धातु भिदिर विदारणे निष्ठा प्रत्यय, if you do you will get भिन्न शब्द. But when you see the संभिन्न शब्द, संभिन्न is used in both meanings, in combining and separating. So here संभिन्न means not well separated. Here संभिन्न means well connected. So what is well connected here? तैजस हिरण्यगर्भ उपाधि is well connected with स्वप्न सृष्टि अवस्थात्मकम अज्ञानम भवति. तथा पुनर् विश्व वैश्वानर उपाधि खचित जागृत स्थिति अवस्था रूपम आपद्यते. And also विश्व वैश्वानर उपाधि खचित, in Jagrat Vishwa Vaishwanara, these two will become the upadhi. Khachita Shabda is used here. Khachita, same as in the first avastha, Karana avastha, Abhasa Khachitam. So here, Vishwa Vaishwanara Upadhi Khachita, Jagrat Sthiti Avastha Rupam Apadyate. In other words, one Ajnanam appears as Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, one Ajnanam appears as Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Ishvara, one Ajnanam appears as Jagrat Swapna Shushupti, all. It appears as the Avastha, it appears as the Bhokta in that Avastha, and it appears as Bhogya. Bhogya means, if I am experiencing this pata, this is Bhogya. This belongs to Vaishwanara. This is Vaishwanara. Vishwa. Vishwa, Vaishwanara in Jagrata Avastha. Like that, everything. So this is basically first three padas of Mandukya. Of Mandukya means as explained in Mandukya. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna. So you can understand Vishwa Taijasa as Ekona Vimshati Mukha, the one with 19 mouths, 19 ways of experiencing. 19 Karanas are there. Not that each will have separate way of experience, because Prana, Apana, they are 5, but they all are used by Karmendriya, Jnanendriya, Antakarana, etc. And Vaishwanara, Hiranyagarbha, they are Saptangaha. These 7 limbs, starting from Murdha as the Swarga or Brahmaloka, and feet as Prithviloka. And the Avastha identification, not only Avastha, but Avastha identification will indicate Bashish Prajna, Anta Prajna, etc. And the Sthanam is indicated by Avastha, Jagrita Sthana, Swapna Sthana, Sushupti Sthana. So in these 3 sentences, all those mantras are explained, covered. Tatrapi, and in them also there is now variety. So you imagine, one Atma, one Ajnanam. One Ajnanam appears as Vishwa Taijasa Prajna of so many, and also appears as Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Ishvara. And further now, Tatrapi means even within that, Deva Tiryang Manushya Sthavaradi Bhedena Nana Vida Sharira Indriya Antakarana Upadhyakaram Sat Pratyak Brahma Chidatmani Ananta Jiva Bheda Vyavahara Nirvahakam Bhavati. Deva Tiryang Manushya Sthavara. Devatas means higher yonis, Tiryang, Pashu Pakshi Ityadi, Manushya in between, Sthavara, adhama, like tree, etc. आदि भेदेन नाना विध शरीर इंद्रिय अंतःकरण उपाधि आकारम. So there also varieties of bodies, and in them varieties of Chidabhasa. Varieties of Chidabhasa means Chidabhasa is same, but based on the availability of Kartrutva, Bhoktritva, there is variety. What Devatas can do, Manushas cannot do. What Devatas can enjoy, Manushas cannot enjoy. What Manushas can do and enjoy, Pashu Pakshi cannot do. What they can do, Manushya cannot do. And what Manushya or Devatas can do, Pashu Pakshi also can do, Sthavara cannot do. Trees, etc. So, there is so much variety. Nana vida sharira indriya antakarana upadhi akaram. The varieties of sharira indriya antakarana upadhi, in them, upadhi akaram sat, प्रत्यक ब्रह्म चिदात्मनि अनंत जीव भेद व्यवहार निर्वाहकम भवति. That pratyek brahma, which is chidatma swarupa, in them pratyek brahma chidatma is one. It is avikari. In that there is no bheda, nehana anasti kinchana. In that ananta jiva bheda vyavahara, infinite jiva bheda vyavahara nirvahakam bhavati. Nirvahakam kim bhavati?
Ajnanameva.
Ajnanam bhavati. So this same ajnanam in one Chaitanya, it creates so much variety. And you see, here they have given only Bhokta standpoint, variety from Bhokta standpoint. Vishwataja Prajna and Devatiriyang Manusha, etc. But this other variety also that you see in the world, how does that come from? That is also same Chaitanya and Ajnanam. You call the Bheda in Guna, these, that, modifications. Mountain and river, they are so different. Sun and moon, they are so different. So within Jada also, there is so much variety. Two flowers are different. Two birds are so different. Two fruits are different. Two vegetables are so different. Grains are so different. So much variety. One Chaitanya, one Ajnana. Ananta. Here it is not only Jiva Bheda Vyavahara, Jiva Jagat Bheda Vyavahara. The second part he gives little bit, no, he doesn't give that example. He gives some other variety, but. So this much is there from one Ajnanam, one Chaitanya. Yatha ekam vatadi bijam mridashritam sat tasyameva mridi ankura kanda vitapa shakha patra pushpa phaladi bhavam apadya punar bija bhavam cha apadyate tatha idam api iti drashtavyam. Yatha ekam vatadi bijam. Vata vriksha is there, it's bijam, seed. Mrid ashritam, when it is kept in a proper ground, mrid ashritam sat, tasyameva mridi, in that land or whatever clay, it becomes ankura, sprout. Then kanda. Kanda means a plant. Then vitapa, a vriksha. Shakha, branches. Patra, pushpa, phala. All of them come. Adi bhavam apadya. Having attained all these variety, punarbija bhavam cha apadyate. again it gets the seed also. After patra pushpa phala, bija bhava. Tatha idam api iti drashtavyam. In other words, the variety just keeps sprouting, sprouting, sprouting. That's why nanto na chadir na cha sampratishta. There is absolutely no end of this thinking. How vast is the universe? Where is the beginning? Where is the end? Neither in Desha nor in Kala, anybody will be able to find out. Satyuga and before that, how many yugas were there? Nobody knows. But that same vriksha now, tadeva vrikshakaram vastu, मूल दाहे सति तत्रैव मृद भावम आपद्य पुनर्न भवति यथा. This up to this is drishtanta. That same vrikshakaram vastu means this jagat. Mula dahe sati, when you put a fire to the mula, root of that, it will start burning. Then what will happen? Mula dahe sati tatraiva mrid bhavam apadya. There itself, that tree will again become clay, mrittika. In that mrittika, you had put a seed. That seed, with the help of mrittika and other pancha mahabhuta, it grew to become a vast thing. Then when you put fire to that tree, root of the tree, then the whole tree will get burned. Again, it will collapse. Everything will become mrittika. Mridbhavam apadya. Punar na bhavati. Once again, it will not become tree anymore. Yatha, this is drishtanta. Tatha, in the same way, sansara vriksha mula jnanasya tattva jnanagnina dahe swashraya chidekatmana vilinatvat punar na darshana yogyo bhavati. Samsare iti ajnana dahaya eva tattva jnane yatitavyam iti. Darshana yogyo bhavati. Samsara also you can say. Tatha sansara vriksha mula jnanasya. Samsara vriksha is there. Urdhva moolam avakshakham or urdhva mulo avakshakha. Esho shvatha sanatana. This vriksha. Mula jnanasya. What is mula jnanam? Mula jnanam means that ajnanam, because of which there is jagat utpatti, jagat pratiti. This is called mula jnanam. It is brahma vishayakam, brahmashrayam brahma vishayakam. But tula jnanam is karya vishayakam, like ghata pata ityadi. Samsara vriksha mula jnanasya tattva jnanagnina dahe. When the sansara vriksha mula jnanasya tattva jnanagnina dahe, when it is burnt by tattva jnanam. Tattva jnanam alone will burn this samsara vriksha. Tattva jnanagnina dahe swashraya chidekatmana vilinatvat punarna darshana yogyo bhavati samsara. This samsara does not become darshana yogya again. When it is vilina in its own ashraya, adhishthanam, swashraya chidekatmana vilinatvat. So its laya is in its ashraya. Punarna darshana yogyo bhavati samsara. Samsara again is not experienced anymore. Iti ajnana dahaya eva tatvajnane yatitavyam. Therefore, the whole effort should be in burning this samsara, not in any other direction, where the final result is still samsara only. So this should not happen that I started my journey in samsara. I have traveled so much within samsara. I am again in that same samsara. That should not happen. Samsara means ahankara. Samsara means this bhranti that I am so and so, parichinna. And in that, then another ahankara comes. I am so well learned. I have so many things that I possess, etc., etc., knowledge or other things. All effort should be for tattva jnanam. Tattva jnane yatitavyam. Yatitavyam means one must strive for tattva jnanam only. Tavyat pratyay there. Tadeva ekam त्रिधा इति उक्ते तमो बीजस्य स्वातंत्र्येण प्रवृत्ति शंका स्यात् तथा सति सांख्य सिद्धांत आपात इति अतस तमसोपेक्षितम आश्रयम दर्शयति तद एव एकम त्रिधा इति उक्ते that one is appearing as threefold. So then somebody may think, okay, it is expressing in three ways on its own. It has swatantra satta. So tamo bijasya swatantrena pravritti shanka syat. Tridha, so it is not given tridha as karya karana rupena. So tridha can be sattva rajas tamo rupena. And that is still jnayam. And they also called prakriti as maya sometimes. And we also called maya as prakriti sometimes. So that's sattva rajas tamo gunatmakam and swatantra karyam of pradhanam, prakriti. If in this way somebody thinks, then tatha sati sankhya siddhanta apadaha. Then you will end up in sankhya siddhanta. Sankhya siddhantasya apadaha means sankhya siddhanta falls upon you. You have become Sankhyavadi then. Iti ataha tamasopekshitam ashrayam darshayati. Therefore here, this tamaha has some ashraya. Tamasa upekshitam ashrayam. Because of this maya, its ashraya is so ignored, so hidden. We feel as if it is not there. It is upekshita. Tamasopekshitam means tamasa upekshitam ashrayam darshati mayavi. So mayavi shabda itself says maya is ashrita in that mayavi. Because maya yasyasti iti mayavin inithanau, this mayavin is ini pratyaya. So the one who has maya is called mayavi. In other words, maya is not swatantra. मायावी शब्द प्रयोग has multiple reasons. One is this, that Maya is not Swatantra. Atma, so Mayavi, in Shloka it was given, Mayavi Atma. What is the Swarup of Atma? Nirupacharita Vyaptiman Swaprakasha Chidekaraso Mayavi. Nirupacharita Vyaptiman, the one whose Vyapti is not available. Nirupacharita Vyaptiman. Or, well, actually better meaning would be Vyaptiman as in the one which is Vyapta, one which is pervading. So, which has unquestionable Vyapti, means it pervades all. If it is Adhishthanam of Maya, and Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, Vishwa, Tejas, Prajna, all of them are expressions of that Maya alone. In other words, Atma pervades all of them. Swaprakasha Chidekaraso Mayavi. Swaprakash Rupa Chidekarasaha. Chidekarasa means Chaitanya in which there is no Taratamya, Bheda. Not that Devata has greater Atma and Pashu has lesser Atma, because there is only one Atma. And this Atma is Swaprakasha Rupa, Swayam Jyoti Rupa. Avedyatve Sati
अपरोक्ष व्यवहार योग्यत्व.
अवेद्यत्वे सति अपरोक्ष व्यवहार योग्यत्वम स्वप्रकाशत्वम चिदेकरसः मायावी. मायादि शब्द वाच्य अज्ञान आश्रय इत्यर्थः. माया आदि शब्द वाच्य, माया आदि मीन्स माया प्रकृति प्रधानम, अव्यक्त, अव्याकृत, अनिर्वचनीय, अज्ञानम, अविद्या, all these shabdas indicate same thing. माया आदि शब्दवाच्य अज्ञानम, तस्य आश्रयः, अज्ञान आश्रयः आत्मा इत्यर्थः. So the Shuddha Chaitanya is ashraya and Maya is ashrita there. In other words, all this anirvachaniya vastu happens only when Chaitanya is existing. Therefore, importance should go to Chaitanya. And Chaitanya is Vyaptam Jagadyena Chidatma Bhavat. This whole Jagat is Vyapta by that Chaitanya. माया श्रेयश्चेद आत्मा तरहि तस्य माया विक्षिप्त अनंतोपाधिषु अनेकधा विक्षिप्यमाणस्य कथं कूटस्थत्वम् इति आशंक्य दृष्टान्तेन प्रत्याचष्टे. A प्रश्न is raised, Maya ashrayश्चेद आत्मा. If Atma is Mayayaha ashrayah, tarhi, then tasya Maya vikshipta अनंत उपादिषु अनेकधा विक्षिप्यमाणस्य. You look at everybody. Those who go through so many different mood states, so much vikshepa is there. And even if there is no mood, there are no moods, anubhava is there, experiences are there. So every time, if I am ghatadrashta, then gandhagrahita, rasaita. So vishayas are different, karanas are different, my anubhava is different. So there is so much variety. Maya vikshipta anantopadishu. By that maya vikshipta anantopadi, varieties of upadis are there. In them, anekadha vikshipyamanasya. In so many ways, he is vikshipta. Vikshipyamanasya. Which pratyay is this? Vikshipyamanaha.
Shana.
Shanacha pratyay. Shanacha pratyay is there. Shanacha pratyay here is kartari or karmani, kartari shanach. It is for Atma. Atma tasya vikshipyamanasya. Katham kutasthatvam. Then how it is kutastha, changeless? So drashtanta is given. Jalarkavat avikarah iti. एक एव आत्मा स्वगत विकार रहितोपि बहुधा विभाव्यमानो भवति जलार्कवत्. एक एव आत्मा. It is so difficult to understand. Atma is one. Chidabhasas are many. We start feeling Atma that I will have tadatmya with all. Remember, when it is said tadatmya with all, what is meant is, I don't see bheda buddhi. Because of dvesha, also there is bheda buddhi. Because of raga, also there is bheda buddhi. If in abheda, there is no raga and dvesha, both require dvandva, duality. एक एव आत्मा स्वगत विकार रहितोपि बहुधा विभाव्यमानः भवति जलार्कवत्. So in many ways, bahudha vibhavyamanah. Swagat vikaras are not there still because of upadhi. Here the upadhi is jalarka in drashtanta. So then arka is one. But jala is different. Its locus, its ashraya is different. And then each jala has its own ashuddhi. So because of that, bahudha vibhavyamana. यथा एक एव अर्को जल भेद उपाधिषु अनेकधा विभाव्यमानोपि नाना न विभाव्यमानोपि न अनेको भवति. नवा जलोपाधि त्वे जलोपाधित्व आकारेण विक्रियते तथा अयमपि इत्यर्थः. यथा एक एव अर्कः. One arka means sun, moon also you can take. एक एव अर्कः. जल भेद उपाधिषु अनेकधा विभाव्यमानोपि. जल भेद उपाधिषु, in the jala bhedas which are different, anekadha vibhavyamana, in many ways it is appearing there. न अनेको भवति, but actually it doesn't become many. It only appears as many. And it also doesn't become jala upadhi.
उपाधि विकारेण स्वामीजी।
नवा जलोपाधि विकारेण विक्रियते। हाँ, नवा जल उपाधि विकारेण विक्रियते तथा अयमपि आत्मा. So neither it becomes jala nor it becomes the variety of jalarka. It is ekaha arka. Like that, atma, neither it becomes sthula sukshma karana prapancha upadhi, nor it becomes upadhi vishishta as Vishwa Taijasa Prajna or Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Ishvara. This Atma is me. To understand this, we should know how much ground we will have to cover. Because things are not easy. So we see variety, we give so much importance to this variety. We have to go beyond all this. Then only we will realize Advaitam. Otherwise, we may think we have gone a long way, but we have not gone anywhere. This is, this Maya, at the end also it can give a twist. Like all along we think, now I think things are happening. At the end, something else only will happen. So we need a lot of calmness, lot of humility, and lot of effort also. Tathayamapi ityarthaha. Okay. Here we will conclude. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.